We're in this classroom to talk about best practices for the tools that you use to clean surfaces. We're in a school environment today, but this could apply to any other type of commercial facility that you may be cleaning. Today we're going to test paper towels versus a cotton cloth versus a microfiber towel and how well these perform at actually cleaning these surfaces. We'll be evaluating how well these clean the surfaces with something called an ATP test. Now this measures the amount of adenosine triphosphate, which is an energy molecule that's used by cells. So this is basically a great measure for us to determine how much dirt or soil is on these surfaces that we may not be able to see with our eyes. For this test, we're also going to use the same all-purpose cleaner for all three surfaces so that we have a nice consistent result. What we're going to do today is take initial ATP readings for these three desks. Then we'll go through a cleaning process using the same cleaner but different tools, and then we'll go back and do another ATP test to see which of these tools was most effective at getting these desks clean. Our next step is going to be cleaning these desks. So we're going to use the same multi-surface cleaner, and then we'll wipe one with a paper towel, one with a microfiber cloth, and one with a clean cotton cloth. Now that our surfaces are clean, we'll come back through and do another round of ATP tests to see which of these surfaces had the greatest reduction in soil or biofilm or potential pathogens. Now that we've completed our final ATP tests, we can see that the tool that you use to wipe a surface when you're using a cleaner is extremely important in determining how clean that surface ends up being. The microfiber cloth is the top performer of these three choices. Not only is this a sustainable option because it can be reused over and over again, but this is also a great tool for actually clearing biofilm, soils, and potential pathogens from surfaces. As we work to create cleaner and safer environments, the tools we use are also important, not just the products that we're using to clean our space.